my beauties, my name is Jan Benham, cosmetic formulator for Purèz Cosmetics, and I thought I would talk today about cake mascara. So we sell traditionally made cake mascara. This is the brown and this is the black. Now the black is actually made with charcoal. It's not oxides, so they're very pure products, just natural waxes and oils. And this is a new cake mascara that we're making, and I really love it. Now, I use the brown. What you get with your cake mascara is a spoolie to apply. But I personally prefer to use an old mascara brush. This is one of my old mascara brushes. It's just that it's a better quality than this, but you can use this fine. So I thought I'd show you how you use it. So first of all, this is brand new. Now what I do, you can wet it with water, just a drop of water, and then rub it in like a regular mascara in a sense, and then apply. To make it more waterproof, you can apply a drop of castor oil. So I'm just going to get my castor oil and apply a drop, just a drop. So here's the drop of castor oil. This makes it more waterproof, and then literally just get a little bit of the product onto your mascara brush, and then you apply. I tend to just do the upper lashes only, but you can also do the lower lashes. I go outwards, and then you can keep on applying in stages, in layers rather. And so that is the application of the cake mascara. It's a new formula, and I find that this works really, really well. And the beauty of it, it does contain also organic castor oil, so you're adding some nourishment to the lashes as well. So that is how you apply cake mascara. So I do hope you find this useful. If you have any comments, please leave them below. Otherwise, it's bye for now.